Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you the remaining part of the chapter Debu and Mika. In the previous video, I have explained the scene first about Devu and Mika and today we will discuss about the scene 2. So dear student, be concentrate and listen carefully. Let's start the scene second. In scene second, the next morning, Debu is sitting up in a bed. Next morning, the Debu is sitting in bed and the smile on his face appears. From here, the scene second starts. My dear student, Debu says, "What fun I had playing with my friends. And the best thing is, he is saying that I am very happy because I have not to do my homework and from today I can play with my friends. I can enjoy of playing outside and he is very happy. And further he says, I don't have to worry about my homework because Mika, my brilliant robot, must have finished writing it. And by thinking this, he became very happy because his homework is done by the robot. His homework is done by Mika. And after this, Debu jumps out of bed with joy and picks up the notebook and opens it. His smile vanished and when he looks up, he is horrified when he saw his homework. Because it is written in robot language that is different with our language. And he became horrified to see his homework that is done by the robot. So dear student, now Debu says, but what does this mean? He became surprised that what is this? And at that time, his father enters and he asked Debu, what is the matter? Why do you look so unhappy? Debu answers in the suspicious words, Papa, today. And slowly he doesn't say any word. Papa says, Monday morning can't be so bad. But after all, what happened? Why are you so unhappy? Please tell me. But Debu says, oh, it is Papa. Look at my homework. See this homework. It is done by your robot, Mika. And I don't understand these language. And he shows Papa his notebook. Papa's face became very serious to see the homework because this is written in robotic language, robot language. That is different from the human language. So, dear student, Papa says, what is the meaning of this table? Where is your homework? Debu answers, this is my homework. You are saying that is my homework. Papa. Now again Papa says, this, how can you call this homework? This is written in robot language. This is not your homework. But Debu says, this is what Mika calls homework. This is what your robot calls homework. Papa, in surprisingly way, what? What is this? What does he have to do with your homework? This is your work and you have to do your work yourself. Then what does mean of this? Devu, everything I asked Mika to do my homework yesterday. Debu says his father that I have given my homework to Mika to complete it. But Papa says, Debu, how could you ask Mika to complete your homework? Debu says again, but Papa, I wanted to go outside and wanted to play with my friends. And Mika said he would do the homework for me. So I became very happy at that time because I have not to do my homework, but everything is spoiled. What am I going to tell my teacher? I am very upset, Papa, Debu says. And then Papa again says, you will have to tell your teacher the truth. I hope you haven't learned a lesson, Debu. You should never ask others to do your homework because this is your homework and you have to do your homework yourself. And Debu says, but Papa, in suspicious way, and the father again says, every single robot is fabricated for a specific purpose. It is made for a specific purpose. Our Mika has been built to do domestic chores, not for your homework, but for domestic chores. That's all he can do. The information that is given to the robot, that is done by him very quickly and very easily. But another thing, he can't do in proper way. And Papa says that's because he has been fed a great deal of general information. He has been programmed to talk confidently, but that doesn't mean that it can do your homework. Debu says, but Papa, you don't understand. Mika offered to do it for me. He said that he could do it, so I have given him to do the homework. But Papa again says, laughing, he did it in his own language. But you know, the robotic language is different from the human language. So you should remember to do things yourself. This is the lesson for you, that you have to do your work yourself. I am sure Mika has never written a word in a notebook. Devu says, "Really, Papa?" Papa says, "Let's check, shall we?" Mika appears, Mika enters, and Papa says, "Oh, Mika, can you draw me a picture?" Devu's father says to Robot, "Can you draw a picture for me?" Devu and Papa burst out laughing, and Mika says, Sir, because he doesn't know about making the picture. So, by this, the Devu has learnt a lesson that we have to do all the works ourselves, and we do our duty very well. So dear student, this is enough for today, and this chapter is also finished, and in the next video we will discuss about some exercises and etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.